Chief Meteorologist Bobby Deskins joins us right now. Bobby, we're getting ready for two weather impact alerts, kind of back to back in a way.
Yeah, and all because of a cold front. I mean, the first one is for rain, and this is not necessarily severe weather. It's our way of giving you a heads up that you may pay attention to the weather a little bit more than you normally would. You want to do that on Sunday because we have a showers and thunderstorm chance with a front coming through. And it now is backed up in time. Looks like it's going to be closer to mid-morning through the early afternoon hours. 4 o'clock, I think a lot of it's out of here, but that timing may change a little bit. So it's a line of showers and storms coming through, and it'll be a little bit breezy with southwest winds turning to the northwest. So rain gear, have plans. And if you can move any outdoor event from Sunday to Saturday easily, I would do that just to be safe, okay? It's not everybody's going to get rain. It's about a 40 to 50% chance, but there's a pretty decent chance. Now, the air behind that front is the cold stuff. So Monday night, 6 p.m. through Tuesday to 10 a.m., we have another weather impact alert, cold and windy, with wind chills in the lower 30s by Tuesday morning. So bundle up, keep thinking about the bus stop, maybe taking them in. If they ride their bikes, you might want to take them in the morning. So now you got car line, you got extra time. We're going to have cold weather shelters open Monday night into Tuesday, and probably also Tuesday night into Wednesday. It's not going to be as cold at that time, but it's not going to be that much warmer. All right. Now, folks still out there at at the Wyndham Grand at Clearwater Beach, the sun just set. The boats are heading back into Clearwater Pass right now. Look how glassy it is out there. Absolutely gorgeous. 79 degrees, dew point in the upper 60s to near 70. That's muggy. That's what you've been feeling out there. Some high clouds coming in, but no rain. Some rain down towards Fort Myers, in fact, south of them, but that's it. This is 1 week front. Strong storms possible in Tennessee. That's a tornado watch, but that's the big front. That's the one that's going to move in over the weekend. Already starting to see some lake effect snows up here. And that is really going to spread, especially tomorrow night into Sunday and Monday up north. Not for us, but it gets cold on Monday and Tuesday. Here's tomorrow morning. Patchy fog, nice start to the morning. Only a few showers pop up in the afternoon. Tomorrow's a lot like today. Warm, muggy, few clouds, isolated shower. Sunday, clouds already in here by the morning hours. An isolated shower, but look at this developing out ahead of it. That's 11 in the morning. That's tailgating time for the Bucks. That's 1 o'clock. That's kickoff. The Bucks are right here. All right, so we have to watch it. Be prepared for that. 4 o'clock, the end of the game, you can see a lot of the rain's out of here, but we're not quite done. We'll have a couple more showers coming through with the front itself through about 8 to 9 o'clock Sunday night, and then the temperatures drop. There's the coverage. You can see it picked up for Sunday. Basically dry on Monday and Tuesday. Sometimes we get a sprinkle along the coast with those northwest winds and cold air. Can't rule that out because there'll be some clouds, especially the first half of Monday. Look at the forecast highs, lower 60s Monday and Tuesday, and then the winds turn to the northeast on Wednesday. We're back into the 70s, but after a cold start. 39 to 40 in Tampa. The record low is 40 on Tuesday morning, and then 44 on Wednesday morning. That's why I say I think even Wednesday morning we'll have the cold weather shelters open. That record of 40 goes back to 1892. That's when we started taking records in Tampa. Look at Tuesday morning, mid-30s. It will feel like it did this afternoon, upper 80s to 90. Feels like temperature for your Saturday. Little less than that on Sunday because of the clouds. It's going to feel more like the low 30s by Tuesday morning. So we've got a big dip in the temperatures coming.
Our weather team is keeping you up to date with live streaming shows twice a day. You can catch them every morning at 11:30 and then again at 4:30 every afternoon. That's exclusively on 10 Tampa Bay Plus.